To buy DoorDash with an Apple gift card, you will need to use the gift card to purchase an iTunes or Apple App Store gift card, which can then be used to purchase DoorDash credits. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do this. First, open the App Store on your device and navigate to the iTunes Store. Click on the Music tab and then scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says Redeem. Next, enter the code from the back of your Apple gift card and click Redeem. The balance will be added to your Apple ID account. Now, go to the App Store and search for the DoorDash app. Open the app and navigate to the Payment Methods section. Since you cannot directly use an Apple gift card to purchase DoorDash credits, you will need to purchase an iTunes or Apple App Store gift card using your Apple gift card balance. To do this, go back to the App Store and navigate to the iTunes Store. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Buy iTunes Gift Card or Buy App Store Gift Card option. Select the amount you want to purchase, which should be the same amount as the DoorDash credits you want to buy. Once you have purchased the iTunes or Apple App Store gift card, you can use the gift card balance to purchase DoorDash credits. To do this, go back to the DoorDash app and navigate to the Payment Methods section. Select the Add Gift Card option and enter the code from the iTunes or Apple App Store gift card you just purchased. The balance will be added to your DoorDash account and you can use it to purchase food delivery. It is worth noting that you can also use the Apple gift card balance to purchase other items from the App Store, such as music, movies, or other apps. However, if you specifically want to use the gift card to purchase DoorDash credits, you will need to follow the steps outlined above. In summary, to buy DoorDash with an Apple gift card, you need to use the gift card to purchase an iTunes or Apple App Store gift card, and then use that gift card to purchase DoorDash credits. This may seem like a few extra steps, but it is the only way to use an Apple gift card to purchase DoorDash credits.